Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. I am Megha ma'am and this video is for your physical science. The chapter what I will continue today is the rocks and minerals. It is part 4. In the previous video I discussed about the minerals and ores, but today I will start with the alloys. Okay. So we use in our everyday life like steel, brass, bell metals, this kind of the things, which are the mixture of the two metals. These are called alloys. Okay, so these alloys are mainly combined with two or more metals sometimes, and the ratio is always the fixed. Okay, so if we mix two or more metals in a fixed amount, then the alloys will produce. And for your information I am giving you that the alloys are harder than the original metal. Okay, when sometimes we can't produce certain things by these metals, by these pure metals, then we use this mixture of the metals which are called alloys. Now I am giving you the definition of the alloys. Okay, the homogeneous mixture or combination of different metals or metal and non-metal in a fixed ratio, which actually specially to give strength. Okay, is called alloys. And the example I can give you, like the bronze is made up of copper and tin. Also steel is made up of carbon and iron. These are the examples. Okay, so also many things are there, like two or more components, elements that combine to form an alloy are inseparable. We can't separate the two metals from this alloy. When we produce some alloy, they are mixed together properly that we can't separate them out. Okay, so the major metallic component of the alloy is called the main metal and the parent metal or the base metal. So the major component which is present, like here the copper is the major metal, here the iron is the major metal of this alloy. Okay, so today more than 90% of metals used are in the form of alloys in our everyday life. This is because alloy have many advantages that a single metal does not have. So what are the importance and what are the advantages that an alloy have that a single metal don't have? Let us find out. Okay. So the advantages are like that. The alloys are stronger than single metal. They are stronger than single metal. It is the first advantage of the alloy. Secondly, we can tell that an alloy has the ability to withstand heavy weight. So, alloy have the ability to withstand heavy weight. So that is why we use alloy instead of the pure metals. The third is it does not readily respond to chemical reactions. An example I can give you that if we use the iron in some machines or anywhere else, the part is a mixture form, and here the chemical reactions are not readily happen. Fourth, alloys are resistant to corrosion. Okay, so these are the 4 advantages of the alloys that we can give you. Like, alloys are not always mixture of 2 or more metals, but may contain one metal combined with other substances too. Like, it is not mandatory that the 2 metals are going to mix with, to form the alloys. Sometimes one metal and something other components are not metals, or any other components can be mixed. Okay, it can be a non-metal or any other substance. Alloy is made by melting of 2 or more elements together. One of each is the metal. One of it should be the metal, and other things should be it can be metal, or it can be non-metal, or any other substances. Okay, when the mixture cools down, a solid substances called alloy is obtained. So first we mix them in this molten state, and then we have to produce the alloys. Examples: iron mixed with carbon forms steel, which is stronger than iron and can support huge weight. Chromium mixed with iron forms stainless steel, which is resistant to corrosion and hardly responds to the chemical reaction. Besides this, gold, metal used to make electric fuse, etc. is as the common alloys. So alloy, we use alloys in our regular life. We all use the steel utensils in our house, right? And also for these electric machines, and there's electric switches, and there's fuses. For this also we use this alloy. Okay, I think you understood the part of the alloy. In the next video we start with the fossils. Till then, thank you.